What is up, YouTube? Anyone watching YouTube right now? And today, I'll be doing my first impressions on this book. Fear Not: Living a Life with No Regrets by James Shaw. It's about James Shaw's life. He wrote this book about his life, autobiography, I do believe. We're gonna read the back. Imagine that you are a missionary in a restricted Muslim country. What would you do if a former KGB agent invites you to live with his Muslim family? How would you respond if you are arrested while leading a Bible study and the police chief asks you, "What are you doing teaching another religion to my people without a sure foundation in Christ?" We will often respond to situations like these with fear and anxiety. Our God, however, wants us not to be afraid. Instead, He wants us to respond with faith and courage. When we face times of uncertainty, persecution, or even viral pandemic like the coronavirus, fear not is one of the most repeated commands in the Bible. This book takes you through the life adventures of Shaw and his family as they strive to seek first God's kingdom and His righteousness. I think maybe I can read this. Rev. James Shaw was born in Korea but grew up in the U.S. While studying at Cornell University, he committed his life to full-time missions. In 2000, Shaw and his family went to Central Asia, and over the next 10 years, more than 120 Muslims came to faith in Christ. Shaw and his family faith are on staff with Crescent Project. They are also founders of I-43, a missionary committed to fulfilling the Great Commission. They bear 3 grown children, Jonel and Josa and I am very bad at pronouncing names. So it's living a life with no regrets, fear not. I'm just gonna kind of skim through the pages. Fear not, living a life with no regrets. A weekly devotional. Fear not, for I have redeemed you. I have summoned you by name. You are mine. When you pass through the waters, I will be with you. And when you pass through the rivers, they will not sweep over you. When you walk through the fire, you will not be burned. The flames will not set you ablaze. Isaiah 43:1. Is that a B2? James Shaw, yeah. Yep, here's just the, I am so bad at flipping the pages, I think. Yeah, this is the, book. It's how many pages long? I don't think it's that long of a book. Like, it's not that long of a book, I don't think. And again, if you want this book, it's only about 263 pages. So if you want this book, Fear Not, Living Life with No Regrets by James Shaw. I haven't read it yet. I'm gonna start reading it. I've heard great things about this book, so yeah, the link will be down in the description. I know this was kind of a short video, but I just wanted to do my first impressions of this and talk about it a little bit. It is a very good book. Go check it out, link in the description. It is not an affiliate link by any means. It's not going to give me anything. But, just links in the description, or you can just look it up on Amazon. It's even not. Living Life No Regrets by James Shaw. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I know this was a different kind of video, but hope you guys are staying good. So yeah, stay positive, and stay negative. Stay positive and stay negative, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!